So guys, we will be replacing this piece right here. And supposedly you get more horsepower and torque because of how rigid this is. Creates some turbulence, so the air doesn't flow smoothly into the intake manifold. And with that sleeve, it should. There we go, fellas. There's the old one. All right, guys, we got it in. We'll hit her with some detailer here, get all my handprints off of it. To change the filter, there is a 10 down there that you gotta take out. Probably need an extension. Once you get that bolt out, pull the back off. Air filter will come out. There you go. There's your stock air filter. Toyota. Subaru. There's our HKS filter. Just throw it in there. Got her in, put the bolt back in, and we're done. Pro tip, if you're going to change both of them, do the air filter while you have the sleeve off. It gives you a lot more room to wiggle. There it is. All right, then, guys, there's the stock one, okay? And I'll show you the graph if I can find it. But you can see, you look inside here, those ridges create air turbulence. And that's supposedly why you get more horsepower with the straight, smooth sleeve. And this thing has one of them dumb, like resonator reservoirs on it to keep the sound down. So I'll get some driving impressions today, let you know if I can feel the difference. Like I said in the unboxing, it's supposed to be 5 horsepower, 10 torque without a tune, and hopefully a little bit of sound with it. So there it is. All right, guys, driving impressions with the new intake hose on. The sound is not changed. At least I can't hear it over the fake pumped in exhaust noise. Now, I will say around 4,000 RPM, I think you can feel the torque difference. I think you get a little extra torque. I spun the wheels a little better today. For $90, I say why not? I mean, it's been shown on the dyno to give you 5 horsepower, 10 torque for 90 bucks. Not a lot of mods out right now. I think it's a easy pickup.